Imagine taking a new medicine, only to discover it's based on fake data. Or worse, that a loved one is harmed in a clinical trial because safety rules were ignored. These aren't just fears, they're real dangers when medical research goes wrong. Unregulated trials can lead to unsafe drugs, exploiting vulnerable people, and eroding trust in medicine. The integrity of research is the backbone of modern healthcare. Without strict rules, we can't know if a treatment is truly safe or effective. History has shown us the tragic consequences of unethical research. That's why a global standard was created, to protect participants and ensure reliable data. Doctors, regulators, and patients all depend on trustworthy results. This trust is only possible through rigorous, internationally recognized rules. These aren't just bureaucratic hurdles. They're the moral and scientific backbone of medical research. They ensure that the pursuit of healing never leads to harm. So, what are these crucial rules? They're called Good Clinical Practice, or GCP. GCP is the universal rulebook for clinical trials involving people. It's an international standard for designing, conducting, and reporting trials. GCP is a promise to protect participants' rights and safety, and to ensure data is credible. It applies to all medical research involving humans, drugs, vaccines, devices, even new surgical procedures. Before GCP, different countries had different rules, making global research unreliable. Now, with harmonized guidelines, everyone plays by the same rules. GCP turns ethical principles into clear, actionable steps. It protects volunteers and ensures their participation leads to real medical progress. Without GCP, clinical research would be chaotic and unsafe. GCP isn't just a document. It's a living standard, upheld by three key groups. First, the sponsor, the company or organization funding and managing the trial. Second, the investigator, the doctor leading the trial at a specific site, responsible for participant safety and following the protocol. Third, the Institutional Review Board, or Ethics Committee, an independent group that reviews and approves the trial before it starts. The IRB ensures risks are minimized and participants' rights are protected. These groups form a system of checks and balances. No one has unchecked power. Together, they ensure every trial is ethical, safe, and scientifically sound. Their shared duty uphold the highest standards in medical research. GCP is built on 13 core principles, the golden rules of clinical trials. First, all trials must be ethical, following the Declaration of Helsinki. Second, benefits must outweigh risks. Third, participants' rights and safety come first. Trials must be based on solid information, have a clear protocol, and be reviewed by an ethics committee. Qualified professionals must oversee care and conduct the trial. Informed consent is essential. Participants must understand and freely agree. Data must be accurately recorded and kept confidential. Products must be high quality, and systems must ensure trial quality. These principles guarantee every trial is ethical, safe, and reliable. Within GCP, a few rules are absolutely non-negotiable, the unbreakable pillars of trust. First, no trial starts without ethics approval. Second, informed consent. Every participant must freely agree, fully informed, and can withdraw anytime. Third, safety. Investigators and sponsors must monitor and report any serious health events immediately. Fourth, data integrity. Results must be accurate and verifiable. Breaking these rules has severe consequences: disqualification, legal action, and loss of trust. For sponsors, non-compliance means wasted investment and rejected data. GCP is the lifeblood of safe, ethical medical innovation. It protects volunteers, ensures reliable data, and builds public confidence. Without GCP, research is not just bad science, it's an ethical failure. Good clinical practice is our promise to do science the right way.